But it's right on schedule, as I said before, Lydia, on this Thanksgiving evening. Things are changing across Northeast Ohio. So let's talk about it. Temperature settling near the freezing mark and likely dipping just below it overnight tonight. We have cloudy skies across the area. We have rain showers quickly already moving over to a mix in some parts as well. This is all because of the system here setting up across our region. Let's dive in a little bit closer. You can see where we're already starting to pick up a little bit of energy, stretching from Ashland through Medina, Cuyahoga County, Lake Geauga County, picking up some snow, rain mixed in right now. You can see well down to the south over towards West Salem. Hey, we see you as well. You're switching over with a little bit of mix as well this evening. Down for our friends over in Solon, North Royalton, Brecksville, you're beginning to get a little bit of a snow mix. Geauga County, you're really kind of packing a punch there with some snow mixing in as well. This is light on the surface, but elevated. The radar is picking up on where this energy is churning through the region. Overnight tonight, as temperatures really take a dive near the freezing mark and we have this Arctic air pulling on in, this is when we're really going to start to see more snowfall rather than rainfall. Take a look at our winds. If you were joining us earlier this evening, we had a southwest wind come in. Now we have sustained winds, 15 to 20 miles per hour, still 10 over in Ashtabula, and we're going to crank that up a notch as we move forward here. So keep an eye on the clock here. Your National Design Mart hour by hour forecast will take us into the mid-20s for some well inland overnight tonight. So you can imagine about 7 degrees below the freezing mark. Yeah, there's no rainfall that's going to be falling there, certainly on the surface. It's going to be cold all the way down to the surface. High noon, we're still struggling. It is not going to be outreach that some of us is not even going to make it to the freezing mark tomorrow. We could be hanging out between maybe 30, 31, maybe 32 degrees along the lakeside. Our average high temperature is certainly into the mid to upper 40s, about 47 for this time of year. So we're going to be coming in well below that. The bigger picture is really going to show not one but two systems headed our way, the first of which is happening tonight, but you can already see here a clipper system round 2 is coming in on Sunday. This is going to be late Saturday heading into Sunday, where that rainfall is going to quickly be a mix of snow as well. Our western area is going to be more of a rain snow event, and then our eastern area around the snow belt is going to be more of a snow rain mixed on in here as well. You can see our snow gauge likely going to have maybe a dusting for some, but you can see as we increase those level all the way up to Lake Ashtabula counties, perhaps even 1 to 2 inches will certainly be possible. So you cannot rule this out. It's going to be a very shaky next 24 to 48 hours here. Black Friday, early morning shoppers, if you want to get out, this is what you're preparing for. Surface temperatures, the upper 20s. Feels like temperatures with the wind, with the grizzly weather outside, it's going to feel a lot colder than that. Black Friday afternoon, again, likely going to be topping out in the mid to low 30s. Take a look at this. Your Union Home Mortgage 7-day staying in the 30s through early next week. 40 is expected through the end of next week. But every single day, Lydia, it's going to be at least something of a snow rain mixed in.
Okay. Thank you, Jason.